Hi, with all this excitement of the Tokyo Olympics going on, I'm back again with another reaction video today. We are going to be viewing the house this international celebrity grew up in, not where she presently stays. She's a first of her kind, an Indian female boxer who's made our country proud by winning the bronze medal in the Olympics 2012 and by winning countless other tournaments. Yes, we are going to be looking at the house boxer Mary Kom grew up in. This is in Kangathai village in Manipur and has been featured by Asian Paints Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai. The original video is linked below for you to check out. I'm architect Monica Khosla Bhargav, founder and principal architect of Kham Consultants, an architecture and interior design firm. I know that all the celebrity houses that I've reacted to have been incredibly luxurious, but this is a modest house, and many of us who have seen the popular film Mary Kom starring Priyanka Chopra can use it as a reference for this video. Now, let's get started.
आप जब बड़ी हो रही थी, अपने माता पिता की कठिनाइयों को देख रही थी, तो उस समय आपका क्या सपना होता था?
सर, मेरा सपना तो ऐसा है कि सब कुछ हमारे पास हो। घर हम वो बिल्डिंग नहीं चाहिए,
हाँ।
लेकिन अच्छा से क्यूट से ही वो
मजबूत घर।
हाँ,
हाँ।
वो चाहिए
जिसमें पानी ना टपके छत
हाँ,
से।
सर।
A leaking roof is a huge problem, especially in village houses where the construction is of the kacha type. That means it's temporary. And in India, the rains are very heavy, especially in northeast India, and even permanent construction, concrete and brick construction are prone to damp and leakages unless they're built with care and of proper building material. A house is very aspirational. Every client who walks into our studio to make a house always says कि ये घर मेरा सपना है. Just like how Mary Kom says that it was her dream to have a small, cute house. And I feel really happy as an architect to be a part of this journey and make people's dreams come true.
अपने चुने हुए रास्ते पर चलकर मैरी कॉम आज एक विश्व प्रसिद्ध बॉक्सर हैं। परिवार का संघर्ष, बचपन की शरारतें और मुट्ठी भर सपने, यही था इनका बचपन। और इन्हीं यादों को समेटे।
Note the bamboo supports, probably the mud walls, can't see brick here, and this asbestos or corrugated GI sheet on the roof. This is the most inexpensive form of construction in Indian villages. If you see this projection, this sheet projection beyond the walls, that's what's the weatherboard which protects this house against the rains. Now, GI sheeting comes with its own problems. It raises the temperature inside the house in summer, but because it's cheaper, easier to install, more durable and longer lasting, it's slowly replacing the traditional wood, tile and thatched roofs. I faced a similar problem while designing St. Peter's Church, Kolkata, on a minimal budget, and GI sheet roof was the cheapest option available to me. So I'm linking that video below so that you can watch and understand how we tackle the problem of internal heat.
बैठा है ये घर।
वेलकम सर, वेलकम टू माय होम स्टेट होम। अरे वाह!
Arey वाह! My reaction was also like Mary Kom's. It seems that Asian Paints has painted this wall as a surprise for her. I love this vibrant blue color and the picture wall and the way the orange curtains contrasted. So color can totally transform the vibe of a place, and it's one of the most inexpensive ways of doing it. I know it may not be everyone's vibe, but it can look great.
I got so happy.
Note this blue fabric that has been used to cover this open cabinet or a piece of furniture, and it's pinned on the sides. So this is another very inexpensive way of doing your decor with fabric. I remember when I first got married and I hadn't bought my dining table yet, I used to cover my 2 trunks in my house with the dining sheets and tablecloths which I had received as wedding gifts, and pin them on the side in a creative way to make a design and use that as my dining table. The solid wood panels of the kitchen cabinet, they look so good against these pine wood walls with all the pots and pans neatly hanging behind. Organization is a huge aspect of interior decor, and it can make any space look neat and good. Also, look at these wooden rafters. They are actually supporting the roofing sheets, and today we'll find that in so many interiors this is being replicated as a style element.
सर ये मैं हूँ सर, देख लो ना सर। मोलू
एकदम गोलू लवली।
सिर्फ यही है फोटो, बचपन में छोटी में मेरा फोटो ही सिर्फ यही है।
एक ही फोटो बची है।
एक ही फोटो बची, पता नहीं मम्मी पापा एक भी खींचा नहीं लग रहा है। और ये ओलंपिक मेडल है। थैंक यू। ये वेडिंग का फोटो है, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट
मेरी जी
फोटो।
कितनी सुंदर लग रही हैं
सर। थैंक यू। कोई नहीं बोला सर मेरा।
So beautiful you look. अच्छा ये बताइए कि आपने कहा कि आप इस घर में जब 13-14 साल की थी तब आई थी।
हाँ।
लेकिन बचपन से लेके 13 साल तक किस घर में थी फिर?
अभी तो डिस्ट्रॉयड हो गया।
अच्छा,
तोड़ दिया, अभी दिखाना
अच्छा
चाहता।
तो वो घर देखने जा रहे हैं?
वही मैं लेके जाना
वाह,
चाहता हूँ।
चलिए। तो ये था आपका घर?
सर ये नहीं था।
हाँ।
इस तरफ था।
हाँ?
हाँ सर, मैं बताएगा सर कैसे हम लोग रहता था। ये डोर था।
हाँ।
तो अंदर आके इधर साइड में किचन था। आगे वाला ये हट है ना सर, ऐसे दिखता था।
अच्छा, उसकी तरह लग।
A thatched roof, log walls, and simple wood door panels. This looks very neglected and weak, but then a lot of research is being done with alternative construction technology using these very building materials to create quality thatch for roofing, walls using straw bale, agricultural waste, wood waste to encourage a much more sustainable form of development.
हाँ, ऐसे तो हम मम्मी पापा और 3 भाई बहन था। मैं सबसे बड़ी हूँ, तो मम्मी पापा को मदद करना है। सुबह उठ के 4 बजे पापा को उसको पीछे जाती थे और खेत में काम करती थी। जो लड़का का काम जो कोई नहीं चाहता, वो सब मैंने किया। सब सीखा मैंने, लड़की का काम भी।
मतलब किचन में भी सारा हाथ बटाती थी?
हाँ सर।
आप बाहर जाके लड़कों के काम भी करती थी और घर आके लड़कियों के काम भी करती थी। आपको आराम कब मिलता था?
मैं आराम स्कूल में आराम करती।
Struggle, perseverance, and dedication. Mary Com's house speaks of her journey from a tiny village to becoming an international sports star. It represents the hardship that millions of people in our country endure, but it also represents that individual effort can overcome that and change the course of human life. I personally feel that Mary Com's childhood home should be preserved as a history museum as a salute to her, so that tourists can visit and be inspired by the challenges that she faced and the greatness that she has achieved. Let me know in the comments if you agree with this. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next Saturday.